In this video, I will be showing you how to install GitHub Copilot desktop app on Windows. So let's get started. For this, just search for GitHub Copilot. We'll be having the official link from github.com. Select it, and here to the top we'll be having the desktop app. Select that, and here we will be having the download option. It is also available for Mac as well as Linux. So just select it. The download will be getting started. It is around 164 MB in size, so just be patient. If you just scroll down, you'll be having all the features that it has to offer. So you can just click on this and check the features for yourself. And these are the pricing plans for GitHub Copilot. Once the download is complete, just open it. We will be getting the GitHub Copilot setup. Just select next, and this is going to be the default location where it's going to get installed. If you want to change it, you can. After that, just select next. It's fine, just check both of these and click on finish. We'll be getting the GitHub Copilot app opened. We need to sign in first, so you can either sign in by using your GitHub or the GitHub Enterprise. You will be redirected to the browser where you must sign in with your GitHub account, and they will be giving you a code. You just need to put that code and authorize. That's it, straightforward process. After that, we'll be getting connect to your repositories. So you can just simply click on plus. In case if you're having multiple repositories, you can just add the one of your choice, or else you can even create a repository. And this is going to be the local repository directory. So you can even like change it. And if there are no repositories found, you can just add a folder manually also, like open a project or something. So just configure it over here and select continue, and you can just select the theme of your choice over here and click on finish. And now if you want to open any folders, here we are having new. You can just simply open your local project or even from a repository URL, and you can just ask questions over here. By that way, either you can open the local project or you can directly interact with the GitHub repositories. So here you can simply like select this. You can select multiple repositories, or you can simply select the repository of your choice, and you can simply ask questions. So let me just go and say explain the code, something like this, and it has beautifully explained me the code. So you can just try using it for your projects. That's a video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.